Hey, this is how to set the time on a Toyota RAV4. This model has been made all the way up until 2019, but they're all the same. So what you want to do, you don't have to use the infotainment system. That's not where you set the time or clock. You set it right here using the arrows. So there's a horizontal menu there. You go right and left, and the sub menu down and up. So you go through the menu all the way to the right, and when you see the gear icon, then you go down until you see the clock, and then you hit the center button, and here you go left and right, and you can change the time. So you want to go back, just hit back and go to your main menu. Okay, well, hope this helped. Bye.